The companies have not disclosed the value of this transaction, but sources tell us that the deal could be in the range of about 700 odd million dollars. The reason why it's actually a fairly depressed price as far as Telenor's India operations are concerned is because it's a desperate sale as far as Telenor is concerned. It is only a fringe player operating in only a couple of circles. Those circles did make a lot of sense for Bharti Airtel. In fact, if you really look at it, I was reading in terms of how much do these circles contribute to Bharti Airtel's revenues. These circles put together where Telenor operates, that is UP West, East, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Assam and Gujarat put together, they actually contribute to about 35% of Airtel's revenues. So it made a lot of strategic sense for Bharti Airtel to look at Telenor's India operations. As far as the value of the deal is concerned, as I mentioned, it's close to about 650 to 700 million dollars, and that also includes taking over Telenor's debt. As far as debt is concerned, Telenor owes about 1700 odd crore rupees in terms of spectrum payouts that have to be made by the company over a period of time, and a similar amount is also in terms of the bank debt. So that put together about 3500 crore rupees is part of the deal structure. That will of course something that Bharti Airtel will take over. In addition to that, a certain premium and a certain value of course is being attached to the spectrum, the overall network, which of course is being paid to Telenor. The important bit is there are a couple of important highlights of this deal. One of course is it means a complete exit of Telenor as far as India operations is concerned. It had a very checkered history. Licenses got cancelled. It had a very rotten deal as far as Unitech, its JV partner, is concerned. After all that, it did not manage to scale up, and now Telenor has finally decided to completely exit one of the world's fastest growing telecom markets in the world. So that is point number one. Point number two, for Bharti Airtel, it makes a lot of strategic sense because in these 7 circles, as I pointed out, 35% of Airtel's revenues comes from these 7 circles, and also it is 4G spectrum that the company is actually buying. 4G is the name of the game going forward, as we've been talking about, which is why it will really beef up Bharti Airtel's spectrum portfolio in these 7 circles. And point number 3, the network that Bharti Airtel will be taking from Telenor is actually a very upgraded, brand new network. So there is no legacy issues as far as the network is also concerned. So net, it's a great deal as far as Bharti Airtel is concerned. It's at a subsidized value, and for Telenor it means a complete bye-bye as far as its India call is concerned.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.